Hi again, it's Tracy from Photo Scraps with today's little inspiration. So you ever wonder how to use some of our custom papers? If you don't want to just use the whole sheet, but you want to kind of cut apart and use it with other papers. Lisa made this fun layout for, I'm guessing it was Taylor. Yeah, it was Taylor's 5th grade, which I'm sure she's going to be so excited this is on the internet. So what Lisa did is she cut apart the title and used the title, and then she also used some of the grid paper that's the background in her layout. She combined it with a couple of little border pieces that she cut out from other paper, and then just used some fun mats and was able to put that whole layout together. We have this grade paper from preschool, kindergarten, all the way up through grade 12. So if you need a year, we have all the grades in stock for you. So come on in, we'll see you soon.